Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city Ghaziabad? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city Ghaziabad. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approaches followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of the Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty helps students, don't let them be held up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have the Gurukul Institute. The address of this institute is Sector 13 near Parshuram Chowk, Vasundhara, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh 201012. Their contact numbers are 0120, which is the code 4256040, and mobile number is 98107-80903. Alright, now let us move towards the website, email ID and the fee structure. So the website is www.thegurukulinstitute.in and their email ID is contact@thegurukulinstitute.in. The course fee for the normal 1 year is approximately above rupees 1,18,000. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Akash Institute. The address of Akash Institute is SS Arcade, plot number D46, RDC Rajnagar, Ghaziabad 201002. Their contact number is 8377956164 and 8377956764. The website of the institute is www.akash.ac.in and their email IDs are medical@aesl.in, iitjee@aesl.in. Alright friends, the course fee for the normal 1 year is approximately above rupees 87,500. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Narayana IIT Academy. The address of Narayana IIT Academy is CBPM Plaza, Ghaziabad 201010 RDC Rajnagar. Their contact number is 9891702567. The website of the institute is www.narayanadelhi.com and their email ID is complaints@narayanagroup.com. Alright, the fee structure of the institute includes the course fee for the normal 1 year is above rupees 55,000 in this Narayana IIT Academy. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Ghaziabad. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.